After 3 days of continuous negative sentiment, Nifty is gonna do a neutral start today yet again. So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, GIFT Nifty is down 36 points, which means Indian markets are gonna do a neutral start today. In the last session, FIIs again did a major selling of 6,082 crore, whereas DIS did a buying of 6,764 crore. So overall, it's a negative sentiment from FII side, and they are selling continuously from a long streak. Rupee closed weak, which is again a negative sentiment. India VIX increased to 12.06, which is again a negative sentiment, because whenever there's an increase in India VIX, it means there is fear in the market and people are reluctant to invest more in stock market. US market closed neutral today, oil closed higher, gold closed lower. So US market closing neutral is again a mixed indicator, oil closing higher is again a negative sentiment, and gold closing lower, it's a neutral to mixed sentiment. Overall, if you look at US market performance today, only 3 sectors where we had minor strength. Other than that, all the other sectors were looking weak. If you look at Indian market levels, after yesterday's closing, Nifty is currently present at 24,680. Immediate resistance is gonna be 24,890. Initial support is gonna be 24,550, and the second major support is gonna be 24,450. So looking at all the market indicators, the sentiment, and looking at futures data, overall there is no major strength in the market. There is no news which can drive any upward movement for Indian stocks, because there are three main reasons for the weakness overall. First is the continuous selling from FII side, which is causing the bearish sentiment which we currently have in the market. Second, weak earning release from all the domestic companies, and that's another reason which is also putting pressure on in the Indian stock market. Third is we don't have any trade deal update yet. So we are gonna hit the 1st August timeline, and before that, if you don't have any update, this can also trigger a negative sentiment. So market can remain consolidated state today. So make sure you follow your stop losses, you're booking your profit, and you make sure like you keep your target very small. There's only one way where market can show a minor bullish sentiment, and it's the short covering. Currently, the level for put call ratio is pretty high, and in the next 3 days, including today, we can see a short covering for one particular day, and that's the only day where we'll see bullish momentum. For time being, follow Trading Footprints. Catch you later.